Dogecoin is back. So DogeChain is layer 2 for Dogecoin. A brand new blockchain that was just launched recently, and in this video I'm going to talk more about it. So what is it? Basically, as you know, Doge itself was a copy of Bitcoin, which means also that just as Bitcoin, you can have NFTs, smart contracts, DeFi and all that stuff on it. And just like with Bitcoin, if you want to have those kind of decentralized apps, you need to launch a layer 2. Layer 2 is basically sitting on top of layer 1, and if you know Ethereum and Polygon, basically something similar is happening here, and basically the team behind DogeChain launched DogeChain based on Polygon Edge. So Polygon Edge is this cool feature from Polygon where you can actually use the super cool technology because they're like super advanced. They have like a team of hundreds of developers, and really, I'm really impressed with their work and how they manage to build what they're doing. So they have actually out of the box solution for new blockchains that want to launch using the technology that they can help. And basically DogeChain is using Polygon Edge, which is basically this boxed version of Polygon, which means that you can deploy your own blockchain and start using things that you already have on Ethereum, things like Solidity Viper smart contracts. You have already all the things related to UX, it's developer friendly, all the documentation is there, you can use all the tools you know basically from Ethereum, and all that is coming to Dogecoin. So basically it's really cool. So this is Polygon Edge, this is how it works, the general architecture, and this is coming back to DogeChain. They wanted to basically build this layer 2 for Doge in order to basically start building like NFTs, games, DeFi, all for DogeChain users. So right now what you can do is basically you can bridge Doge to DogeChain, which means that you put your Doge in a vault on an original chain, and then you get issued those wrapped Doges on the new Doge chain. Moreover, there will be new coins called DC, DC token for Dogecoin that will be coming soon. There will be some kind of airdrop, some kind of distribution. So it's probably worth having all the notifications on Dogechain. Join the Discord for more updates. Yeah, and basically you have all the information on the website. There's a Twitter that is already well running. Moreover, if you want to learn more, they have like a also funny thing about with Robinhood, because yeah, if you have Doge in Robinhood, it should still be fine to get DogeChain. Doge holders get free DogeChain, so there will be some kind of airdrop within this year, meaning that if you're holding Dogecoin, you'll probably get airdrop DogeChain to some extent. So that's gonna be pretty cool, and that probably also will boost the price of Doge as well as other meme tokens as well. So that's also great news probably for SHIB. Yeah, so this is all about the community. Well, as is the case with Doge in general, right? If you go down below, then you basically be able to access more information. Especially you'll be able to access Faucet, which means that if you haven't used that on Ethereum, it means that you basically can get free DC tokens on the testnet that is currently running. Moreover, you can access white paper. White paper is pretty cool. It's 20 pages. Basically, they explain. It's a lot of that is coming from, of course, Polygon Edge, and explaining what happens in Polygon Edge, how that relates to what they're doing with Dogecoin, and so on. There's a bunch of things about like hash functions they're using, the application. So if you go down below, you will see that they're running proof of authority network right now, which means that you have a fixed list of nodes that are verifying, validating transactions, and they're basically, this is very similar to proof of stake, but it's a little bit more closed, but they will be shifting to proof of stake as it seems. So yeah, this is the characteristics of DogeChain if you want to read more from the technical perspective. Yeah, so let me go down below to show you more about this is the DogeChain high-level features. So proof of stake, decentralized governance, EVM compatible, which means Ethereum virtual machine, and cross-chain, because of course you want to connect to the original chain as well. Yeah, a little bit background. This is standard mathematics on elliptic curves and various algorithms for verifying transactions. So I'm going to skip all that. proof of authority. There's a little bit about the chain itself. Then there's this general architecture. This architecture is basically what happens with Polygon. This is what I showed you before, Polygon Edge. So this is the same thing here. Plus they have some, I think, lib2p. Yeah, this is a standard module. Again, this is the cross-chain protocol, how it works. So you have this connection with DogeChain, blockchain, and basically how the bridge works. So there's a little bit about the design of that thing. Finally, they're talking about the applications layer. There's also a thing about the staking, because staking Doge in a wrapped form on DogeChain will allow you to produce and receive rewards in their token DC, so in DogeChain rewards. That's pretty cool. And then thanks to, of course, being EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, and being able to have smart contracts written in Solidity or Viper, you have all the standard ERC721 protocol, which means you have standard NFTs. And plus you will have all the standard things like Uniswap, SushiSwap that will be able to be built on DogeChain, which is pretty cool. So thinking about it, it's a really cool idea. It's cool that something like that is really coming to the Doge, because Doge is of course the original meme coin, and it's cool that it gets some more attention and people are building on it. This video is not affiliated, not supportive of the DogeChain. I don't know the team yet, but I'm really excited for generally for the news. Of course, do your own research before jumping, bridging your Doge, or generally interacting with this new chain. I just wanted to mention that because it's like a cool new thing that appeared. A bunch of Doge meme coins, of course, got a bit of a run thanks to that, and it's worth generally speaking about the new cool things that are appearing out there in the blockchain space. So if you want to get more news like that, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, leave a like down below, and see you in the next episode.